Audrey and I off to the mall today. We were going to go out in the garage and work together, but it's really, really cold. So we are going to the mall together, and we're going to have lunch together and shop till we drop.
Shop till we drop.
All right, here we go.
There you go.
So we're off to lunch first. And we decided to go to Pizza Hut.
Sounds bright. Just like
Huh?
aviators, and then the sun just hit my eye.
Oh,
That hurt.
wow.
Ow.
We were going to go to Chinese, but it was full.
Yeah, pretty full.
So we decided to go to Pizza Hut.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pizza.
What type of pizza are we getting?
Thin crust.
Thin crust what? We're going to get a Supreme?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. So lunch is over.
Yeah.
We went to Pizza Hut.
Mhm.
It was pretty good.
Yeah.
And now we're at the mall.
Mhm.
What store are you going to?
I don't know.
You don't know.
I don't know.
We drove all the way over here and you don't know what store you're going to?
No.
No. Okay. Well, we'll go in the mall and we'll shop till we drop, I guess. All right. Check in later. Well, have we shopped till we dropped yet?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You like your sweater?
Yes.
She found a really nice sweater on sale.
Yeah.
Did some thrifty shopping.
Yeah.
So, now, are we heading out?
Yeah.
Because I think you dropped before I did.
Yeah, I started yawn.
So, okay. We've shopped till we dropped. So, we're going to head out and head home. Or some other place you want to go.
No,
I don't know. We'll decide.
Yeah.
All right. See you later. So, a day of shopping would not be complete unless we stop at a sporting goods store.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No. I don't like Jay's.
Huh?
I don't like Jay's. Don't make me go.
Oh, yeah.
No.
Gotta go check out some guns.
You come home with a gun, Mom's gonna kill you.
I don't have to go home with a gun. Just gotta go look.
He's gonna come home with a gun.
All right, let's go.